This next demonstration is going to blow some minds. Now, I can't do it for long because this Apple coil is like 30 gauge. And my armature is only 21 gauge. It's not going to take what I'm going to put into it. It's going to start burning. But I'm going to do it quickly. I could make Lenz drag itself power the whole motor without looping the output back in. Just Lenz drag keeps it going. I could totally unhook the motor itself, not feed into it, just unhook it, and the generator spins itself and spins the motor. Now, remember, I am putting direct current into the armature, but there are no field magnets and there's no field coils. I'm just powering the armature. So any comment that the brushes and the input power is powering the motor, you don't know how a motor works, because a DC motor or an AC DC universal motor needs a field to attract to or to repel against. Okay, it needs a field coil that has to be powered with DC or AC, and it needs a magnet where the armature connects to it. If there's no field coil, it won't rotate unless you do what I do, which I don't think I've been seen before. You're using the output coil as the field coil by reversing Lenz. Now, not necessarily reversing it, it's still doing what it's supposed to do, but using it in a way where it's benefiting us. Go to the forum if you want to see more. Now for the demonstration. No field coils. Output coil comes out of these red wires and is shorted into the multimeter, which I'm going to turn on to alternating current so you can see how much current is coming out of this output stator. I'm going to put alternating current right from a variac into the armature. I'm going to power the motor to get it going, then we're going to take the motor off, and we're going to speed it up by increasing current going into the armature with no field coil, using the output coil as the field coil. Now, the stronger I turn the input to the armature up, the faster it goes, and the more output we get. Okay, so that might be the key right there. I can't run this too hard though, because as I said, I didn't design it. I mean, this is just all stock crap, and I didn't really use heavy duty wire, heavy duty stuff here. But this is fabulous. Yeah, I'm going to turn the supply on. I'm going to turn this to amps. Put this on alternating current on the output, shorted. Okay, it is shorted. Now the volts are going to be real high because these are like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of turns. Okay, and remember, I still got one shorted here too, which I'm not calculating. That's just a short. I'm not even measuring that. I'm just measuring one of the outputs because I have two phases on here. Okay, so let's start it up. We're going to run it at 16 volts. Now we're going to turn on the field of the armature power. And let's lock. I'm going to crank it up. And at this point, we're going to try to, okay, almost. There we go. Okay, it's running off Lenz. Now I'm going to crank this up and watch what happens. That's the output. And look, Lenz is powering it. The motor, don't even need the motor. Boom. And I'm starting to feel it burn. I smell the burn. That's all I could do right now. Lenz powers the motor. Nothing else. Motor was disconnected and it was still turning with no field coils. So join the forum in the description as I continue this.